let me show you some more example on the multi-row formula in order for you to understand it better, and then later you can compute and also compare as well. So for example, year-on-year analysis is like row by row also. Okay, so we start with this data set. Very simple. I just type some random numbers here, and then we need to use the formula, multi-row formula, in order to derive some numbers. Okay, so the first one is assuming that we want to compute the running total from next to this one. So the we will have 100, and then running total, or the cumulative numbers, will be 300 and in here, and then will be 600, and then 610, 630, and in here. Okay, so this is the global running total. There are two ways to do it in alteryx. Actually, there are many ways, but I'll show you the common ways. The first one is just to use the running total here. Okay, so you will run this one by the amount in here, and then just do it. Let's run it. So it will give you another column in here. So this is before, and then this is after. So you have the column here 100, and then 100 plus 200 will be 3, 300 plus 306, 600 plus 10 will be 610, and then so on. So this is how it goes. So it's just current number plus the current total plus the current number, and then we will have the next. Okay, so, this one plus. So this one also is the same concept with the multi formula as well. So I will make it like for like here in order for you to understand. So this one, I will drag the formula down in here, and then I will call. I will name this one is more robust than the running total, in the sense that you can name your the column yourself. So I will name this one LT, which is running total, or sorry, RT, which is for running total, and I change this one to the double number, so it will be the number, um, double precision number. Okay, so the trick is to use the previous running total of the previous column plus the current value, the amount of the current column, of the current row, to generate the next row. So assuming that in the first case will be 0, plus the current one will be the 100 will be 100 here. So when you have 100 here already, and then you plus the current one, which is 200, and then you have 300 here. Okay, so that's how it works. The whole thing works, and then go like this. Okay, so you can see here the interval result. They will be the same. It's just like the running total. It has its own convention of the running total. But then for running total, it will be better because it can run like two columns at the same time. So this one, you can have uh, the, the same result, but you can customize your numbers, your columns in different ways. Okay, so the next one I need to show you is just to uh, link the current year with the next year. So for example, FY22 to the next year will be FY23, and then the FY23, the next one will be like this one. So the link the current year with the next, with the running total as well. So I will. Sorry, it's not wrong. The multi row formula. So it will go in the same way. So I will drag the formula down here, and I will call this one fy next, and then this one I have to change to the string because the fy is a string, is not a number. So this one I need to the string in here, and then I assign this one to row plus one fy, which is the next row of fy, and then I run it. Okay, so there you go. I think FY22 will match with 23, 23, 24, 24. This one we will deal with later, but we know that this one is not perfect, but for now. But we try to understand how it works first, and then later we fix the this one is the same as a local ranking previously, but we will fix it in a minute. Okay, so I will do the same example for FY last, which is like last year FY23 will be 22, and then 24 will be 23. Okay, so I will drag the formula down here one more time, and I change this one into FY last, and then I will change this one to string as well, because the last year will also, the value will be string as well. And then the the one I want to bring down is the last year, like this row minus one of the fy, and then after this I will have the formula like this. Okay, uh, so you can see FY22 has no last year, FY23 has 22, and then so on, and then we need to fix this one as well. For now, I just keep it that way. Okay, so now hopefully after this you understand how to use the multi-row or multi-row formula in order uh, to compute the values from different rows. So it's not only one single row, but then from the different row. I will do the another one with both. So both like the fy next and fy last. And then I will do the same trick as well. So I drag this one down in here, and then I will name it fy both, and then I also have to change this one into string as well. And then this one, because it will come with the both, so I have to combine the last year, the fy of the last row, and I plus the separator in between, so that later you can read them. And then I for the next year I will combine this one row plus one. I will add this one row plus one, and then after this you will see the combination of both like this. So this one will be it just means this one is the empty one, and then this one has both. So FY23 have both last year and then next year, uh, and so on. Okay, so this is how we do the FY the linking between the previous row and then the next row in this thing. Okay, so this is the global setting. Okay, so everything here is global. So we don't care about two parts like FY part and then the YTD part. Now I'm moving to the second part, which is the local setting. I will copy the whole thing in here from here to here in order to compare line for line between the global and then uh, the local. Okay, I will add one more thing in this, which is to divide this one into fy2 parts. Okay, so if the formula is like this, if the fy contain the YTD in YTD in this, I will make it part B, else I will make it part A. Okay, and if I will show you the result before we move to the next. Now you can see here there are two parts in this result, and then this is where the local running total and everything comes in, because because now we have groups already, we have paths already, then we can do the local ranking or local running total in each path. Okay, so assuming that I will run all the way from here and I stop, and then I run again from here. Okay, so which means that until here we have to, 100 and then 300 and 600 in total, and then we stop, and then we start from 0 again, and then this one will be 10 and then 30. So part B will be end with 30, part A will will end with 600, right? Okay, so we do the same thing in here. So because this one doesn't have this one, because it's linked to here, which doesn't have the part for now, so I have to relink it. So I delete the whole thing, and then I link until here. Okay, so now you can see the difference, right? So in here I link everything into the input button, but in here I link after the input button with this part, right? And then after this, and then you can see the FY part here. You check on the FY, and then it will give you the local ranking, local running total. Sorry. There's a little bit tricky in this one, because after it do the running local running total, it will shuffle your data a little bit around. I don't know why they have to do this, but it doesn't matter. We have the sort tool here, so we just sort it by fy, and then by part. It will come back to the original result. Okay. Okay, and then you can see here, 100 plus 0 will be 100, 100 plus 200 will be 3, and then so on. And then this one, it reset the total, running total. So 0 from here, and then plus 10 will be 10, 10 plus 20 will be 30. So how the local running total works. Coming to this one, I also do. Okay, so now you can compare side by side, right? So this one is the running total by the running total tool, and then you have to sort. This one, does it work in the same way? I need to check this one also. I need to check the fy part here as well. So after this, I also have the same thing, which is the running total here, but then it shuffle a little bit, and then I have to sort the thing again. So I sort by fy. So after this, I think we have the same result. So this is the running total by the red tool, and then this is the running total by the multi-formula tool. Now moving to this thing, I think after this, we have this thing, but then now I want to fix it one a little bit. I don't want FY22 to match with this guy. FY22 don't. The next one would not be this guy. So again I just check the FY part, and then running. So it will like this. Every time you do the grouping, it will suffer. It was shuffle your rows a little bit, and then you have to sort it again. So I put the sorting here in here, fy. If you don't sort, it's okay, but then it will be very difficult to follow the result, to chase the error in the result. Okay, so there you go. So after this, you can see fy next one will be here, and then this one 24, 24. There's nothing here after 24, so it's done, because this is part B already. So this one is the same thing. So 23, the next one will be 24, or YTD 24, and then 20, YTD 24 no more. Okay. So moving to this one, you do the same thing. You want to do the local to the last part, right? So you also have to check this one, check on the part, and then again we know already that it will screw up my row, so I have to sort it again. So I will sort it by fy in order to chase my result more easily, right? So you can see in here, you have the for FY22, there's no last. For FY23, we have 24 also have YTD23 also don't have the last part. Okay, so this is the difference between the last and the next. These guys will have no last, these guys will have no next, due to the part B, in part B. Now, moving to the last one, which is here, and then you can see, actually I want something happen to this as well. So meaning that this guy doesn't have the last and this guy don't have the next as well. So I check on the part again, and then again, because I know that there will be some suffering around my row, so I sort it again by FY, and hopefully I have the result by this. Okay, so there you go. So you have the result in here already, and then you see this one have only the next one doesn't have the last. Okay, so the blank here is a little bit difficult to read. If you want to put the XX in front, you can also do it in here. So if you can do this, this guy, if this guy is now, then you put the XX in front, else you put this guy original the value for this guy, so which is this thing, and then end. You do the same with this guy. So I need to put this guy in another row. If is now of this guy, then I will put the XX also, and else I will put the original value, and then I end if. Okay, so after this, then the result will be the same, but except for like whenever you have the nows, and then it will be XX. Now there's a little bit change in here. You need to put it on into now to make sure that if the value doesn't exist, then it has to be now. And then I can replace this one. So in here you can see XX, right? FY and XX, meaning that having the last one doesn't have the next. This one having the next doesn't have the last. This one have both, and then this one having the last but doesn't have the next. Okay, so that's how it works. Okay, so can we review the whole learning process from here to here? We just try to understand how the tool works in two case study. The first one is the running total, which is like global, and then the second one is to link the previous row and the next row, and maybe sometimes the combination of both. And then this is the global process, and we try to make it we try to localize the process in the sense that we divide the dataset into part A and part B, and then because of the looping thing or localizing things, sometimes the row will be shuffled, and then you need to use the sorting tool in order to get back the original order of your database. Okay, so that's all.